So hi everyone, I'm gonna make a review of some new toys I put on my beautiful bike here that I'm enjoying so much. But first I want to do a very short video on something that I can't keep talking about it. I didn't know how important it was so far. So well, it's this simple levers that you see here, right? Either for the brake or for the clutch. Now I got the Puig, so I made a review of them on one of my videos you can watch on the channel. So what these are and how they look like on the bike. So these are the adjustable and foldable. So this is how from Puig, and it's fully adjustable here, as you can see. So it moves back and forth. Now, simple stuff, right? So yeah, things you can get on many aftermarket, let's say, vendors, etc. However, the magic doesn't happen, let's say, here. Well, it's great to have adjustable, etc. The magic, from my perspective, happens over here. So as you can see here, if for anyone that has a custom, you have your own right now Triumph's custom levers on your bike, what you're gonna notice is that over here it's quite lean, right? So if we were to use sizes or object sizes or shapes as an example, is that what I had on my bike when I bought it was lever that had a circular or round edge here, on upper, etc., which meant, now what's so bad about that? Well, I didn't know it about it, so I hadn't noticed. So what happens that when I got the brake or the clutch, regardless, so we're talking about the same thing here, and when for example, I wanted to do some, like MotoGP mentioned, gradual pressure on the bike, and I wanted to hold it, what happens that either by the force of the brake or just by the driving and the etc., the lever would slip just a bit, and that would affect, of course, either braking or the clutch. Now that's again when trail braking. However, and the second scenario is when you are trying to, just push on the brake itself. So if I wanted to gradually, stop with my gloves on me, still the lever would slip on my hand. So that's my experience for now with these levers, because they are not rounded over here, as you can see. They have a sharp edge, I'd say, something like a rectangle object size, I'd say, shape. What happens is that they grip on your hand, they don't move. So you can be much extremely more accurate on your brake or on your levers using with that, because it stays exactly on the position you want. So you don't need to correct all the time, back and forth and put pressure, recapturing lever, etc. Yeah, that's it. A must have. I mean, you can buy any lever you want, but as long as they have this, a bit of edge here, that's great add to my driving so far. Thank you everyone. Just wanted to note that. Thank you again. Bye. Again, I want to understand what's your experience with this. Any comment would be much more very appreciated. In case again I'm missing something here, or someone else has a different view. So yeah, thanks.